If you didn't know already, Claude AI can now work directly with Autodesk Fusion to advise, model, and even develop plugins to expand your CAD capabilities. I tested it out the other day, and honestly, the results were nothing short of impressive. I recorded the whole thing so you can see how it works. Now, I'm not going to run through the Claude setup because there are already dozens of videos covering that. Instead, I'll just boot it up in a terminal view with Fusion open next to it. Now, my first attempt didn't exactly go to plan. I asked it to build me a chair that can be disassembled into a flat pack, give it an Art Deco style. Why not? And here's where I made my first mistake. Claude rather comically responded with, "I can't build a physical chair, I'm a software." That's a fair point, Claude. But I guess there's also an important lesson here that getting the prompting right really does matter. So I tried again. This time I asked, model in Fusion a wooden chair that can be disassembled into a flat pack, make it suitable for an average size adult, give it an Art Deco style. And this time it kicked into action and started to think about the problem. And after waiting for about 15 minutes, models started to appear on screen. Now I'll be honest, at first I thought it was broken and that I'd wasted a bunch of time and credits for nothing. But as it kept going and as more models started to appear on screen, I started to realize that this thing might actually know what it's doing. And when it all finally came together, I ironically nearly fell off my own chair. It had modeled exactly what I was after, and all of this from a simple 2.5 line prompt. Incredible. But I didn't stop there. I decided to push further and asked it to create a nesting study. And again, this became another lesson in getting the prompting correct. It did create a nest, but it did it manually by duplicating the parts and placing them into a new component, rather than using Fusion's dedicated nesting tools. So I asked again, this time more specifically telling it to use the nesting tools inside Fusion. But here's where it got really interesting. After that, it decided to self-reflect and compare its own manual nesting attempt against Fusion's dedicated tool, and concluded that its manual version was close, but that Fusion's arrange function produced a slightly better result. I didn't ask it to do this, so seeing it expand its thinking around the problem was pretty fascinating. And who knows, perhaps it's learning from all this. I then finished this test off by asking it to generate a series of renders from different angles, which it then put into a nice showreel, and for a production drawing, which it actually decided to create outside of the Fusion drawing environment on the fact that it recognized that the drawing APIs weren't readily available yet for what it needed to do. All in all, I went into this test with no real expectations, but came out genuinely impressed by what's already possible today. And we're only at the very beginning of this AI journey, and I'm seriously excited to see where it all goes. So give it a try for yourself, push its limits, and see what you can do with this new amazing technology.